In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alt text to images in Google Docs. Let's get started by first opening a new browser tab and searching for Google Docs. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your Google account. After logging in, you can either open an existing document or create a new one, depending on where you want to add your image. Once you have your document ready, locate the image you wish to add alt text to. If you don't have an image in your document yet, you can easily insert one by clicking on the Insert tab at the top, selecting Image, and choosing the appropriate option for uploading or inserting an image from your files or online sources. When you see the image in your document, click on it to select it. Now, to add alt text, you'll need to access the Alt Text panel. To do this, simply right-click on the image. A menu will pop up beside the image. From this menu, choose the option labeled Alt Text. This will open a sidebar on the right side of your screen, which is where you'll add your description. In the Image Options sidebar, you will find a box labeled Description. In this box, you need to type a clear and concise description of your image. This description is important. Remember, alt text serves a critical function for accessibility. It helps those who are visually impaired to understand the content of an image through screen readers, and it also can be useful for SEO purposes. The description should succinctly convey the essence of the image without being too verbose or using unnecessary jargon. If, for example, your image is of a sunset over a mountain range, your description might say, "A vibrant sunset casting orange and pink hues over a silhouette of distant mountains." Once you've entered your description, there's no need to worry about saving these changes manually. Google Docs automatically saves your input immediately after you type it. This seamless feature allows for an uninterrupted workflow without the necessity of stopping to click a Save button. Now you can simply close the Image Options sidebar. If you need to make further edits or add alt text to other images, you can repeat these steps with each image as necessary. By following these straightforward actions, you can effectively add alt text to all images in your Google Docs, enhancing the accessibility and understanding of your documents for all users. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.